Hi guys, today we're opening Chili Rain.
Chilling Rain. Alright, go ahead, open up the first one. Alrighty. Easy now. Show them the code card.
Here's the code card.
Alright. Move that. Alright. Come up closer so you can see the cards. Alright, show them. Grass Energy. Here. Just stand them down.
And
Celio.
Celio.
There you go. Alright. Melanie.
Melanie.
Alright, what we got there? We got a Whirlipede.
Whirlipede.
Alright, Cubfu.
Cubfu.
Looks like a Blitzel. Quillfish. Galarian Slowpoke.
Okay.
Alright, what is that? That is a Weedle. And that's a reverse hollow Golett.
Is that my rare?
Nope. That's your rare. Oh, it's a Golurk. That's a reverse rare too. And that is a holographic Frostlass.
I got.
That's good cards. Good cards.
I got 2 rares.
You did. Alright, let's set that over there for now. Alright, let's open up the second pack. Thought you were going to be done with one. You were wrong. Alright. Here, I'll open this part. I think this gives everybody a little bit of trouble. Alright. Ship the code card. Thank you. Alright, here we go.
Water Energy.
Very good. Here, hold it closer. Kakuna. Flannery.
Flannery.
Rugged Helmet.
Roman Helmet.
Ralts.
Rots.
Venipede.
Venipede.
Bond Sweet.
Bomb Sweet.
Lapras.
Lapras.
Oh. There you go. Lapras.
Lapras.
Blitzel.
Blitzel.
A reverse hollow Weezing. Galarian Weezing. And an Aggron rare. You got another double rare. Awesome.
I got 2 rares.
You got 4 rares altogether. 2 plus 2 is 4.
Yeah.
Check it out. Oh, Miss Attitude there. All right. Make sure to watch our next video.
Yeah, and don't miss any of our videos, and the subscribe button is over here.
What she said. Like and subscribe. Follow for more.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. I'll go get Team